Oh my god. I wanna... Oh my god.
Slow down, little buddy.
Oh my god, she is so cute.
Close cage door.
Look at him.
Oh. Like, just dump him in there. Just let him swim. That's what I want to do.
He put his foot out. He'll get out.
Or will he drown?
Joey. Joey.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Joey.
I'm so scared.
Me too.
I feel like he drowned. Look at that. All that water. Okay,
He
sure.
drowned?
I'm gonna leave you right here. You know how to get out.
Show me something that you want. I want is just a stretch one. Still a thing you got right on your mama down your motorcycle. Hey, 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 hey. I'm a fool from ACA. Oh, how much is this?
On our walk, so. Ready for guys. Looks like we're about to see a waterfall.
Baked
So.
potato head.
Keep trying me. Oh, y'all look. This is cave. Ooh.
Okay, and when the back come out, I'm not saying nothing.
Oh,
Somebody probably did that to make it
bruh.
look funny.
they
It says
crazy.
retweet saw. Or rich saw. I don't know. We're gonna keep it pushing.
We got this. We're gonna keep it going. Is this a step or no? It's like, oh, just put a step there.
I'm so confused.
I don't have to jump.
The trees be falling.
Oh, you go around that. Are you?
I wish I could put this in my camera.
You can do it.
Yeah, watch out.
Oh.
You good right there.
Girl, you better quit playing. Oh, dang it.
But
Oh,
back up there, like nearly
we're on this rock.
It'll be slippery.
People here. Look at him climbing. Started raining, guys, so we're under the cave.
Oh, here it is. It's really a stalking.
Started raining.
Mykaela's idea.
It said it was a 15% chance.
Yeah,
Mom, we could only put some
it was a 100% chance.
over here.
Look at that. So our bags are
Yeah, Ma.
in here and stuff. you gotta do it.
Y'all be careful.
You too. Hiking time. Yeah, look at that. Oh, please. Lucky my phone's not wet.
Hey, you want to see my butt?
We had fun for a few minutes, so good. Huh?
I should have never bought a white bathing suit though. That's stupid. I had to take my eyelashes off. I'm taking these eyebrows off. My eyebrows are off now. I just wiped them off. Feeling free. I just took my eyelashes off because they weren't being good umbrellas.
My earrings are still on. Oh my god.
That's sad.
Stay down here for a few minutes and wait until it kind of cools down because our bags are soaking wet and we have our phones in there still.
My food's done. I'm probably going to eat right now, but it's in bed.
We're like soaking wet. Like
When your kid comes,
I am like
there's gonna be racks.
I'm still soaked. My towel, Jay. Like my towel looked like it came out of the washer, like soaked.
Let's talk about doing that. That way it'll take you. I mean,
My towel's even soaked. It's crazy. So
I would take that. You know, it takes my blood.
that's we're sitting down eating in the car.
Alright.
All our food and snacks are right there and things.
He brought the dog back out. The dog just brought it out because he wanted to get in the car. The husband gonna bring the dog out.
Your dog must like the husband.
The dog said it's too wet out here. He ain't dragging the husband. I got a pimple on my nose.
We're home now, and we already took I took my shower. We didn't take a shower yet, but we're just about to relax and end our day. It's still raining outside, so that's pretty much it for our day today. So yeah, and you should go check it out on a day that it doesn't rain because it was really nice here.
Make sure y'all subscribe. And like.
She over the top.